Hello guys, Harsh this side. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Since that's my first video, so I might guess most of the people who are watching right now already knows me. The motive to create this video is yesterday I uploaded a story on Instagram about Snapchat lenses, and most of the people ask how do I do that? How can I create and publish my own lenses? So as we know in this lockdown situation, it's not safe to meet in person. So I decided to make a video of Lens Studio on how to create and publish your first lens on Snapchat. Not only create but also published on Snapchat. For your information, I have made over 25 plus lenses by Lens Studio, which has over 50,000 views on Snapchat, and it's still counting. So without any further delay, let's get started. So the first step is to install Lens Studio. So we will go to Chrome and type Lens Studio, enter, and here you will see the first link. Yeah, this is the official website of Snapchat. To download Lens Studio, this is a download button, click on it, and this is a system requirement if to run Lens Studio in your system. Just to download it, just take this, enter your email, and then download it. I have already downloaded it, so I'm not gonna download it. Click, it will get installed in your PC. If you are on Windows and Mac, it will demand some authorization, and then you can click on it. It will get installed. Alright, okay. So here, this is our Lens Studio is gonna look like. Double click on it. Okay, so our Lens Studio has been opened. Yeah, so this is the home interface of Lens Studio. This is here's home, templates, documentation, login. Yeah, so the second step is to connect our Lens Studio with our Snapchat account. So here's, you can see login to my lenses with Snapchat. Click on it. ARS edge underscore Gupta and then 2001. Yeah, and now my password, and again very good, and heels okay, verify, it is loading. Yeah, it detected my account. Yeah, continue it, connect to the Lens Studio, continue. Okay, yeah, as you can see, it's written Harsh Gupta. Go to my lenses, yes, and this is my insights of all the lenses which I have made. This is my total views, total reach, shared. Okay, I'm gonna close it, we will see it later. Yeah, okay, so this is the home screen of the Lens Studio, and we will start with the basic one, the basic template, which is sunglasses, which I recommend. So we will go to the templates, and this is a whole variety of templates which you can use to make your own Snapchat lenses. But for now, with the basic one, we will go for sunglasses. So this is the sunglasses. Click on it. It will take 2 or 3 seconds to load. Yeah, here we go. So we have 4 sections here. The first is object panel, which we have in which we have our camera, lighting, and other sort of thing as well. And this is our scene view, like how we're gonna take our pictures in front of camera. This is a whole 3D view, and this is an inspector panel in which we can modify our content in the lenses. And this is a preview, this how our lens is gonna look like when we will use it. Okay, so in this 4 section we will use only 2 sections for now, this inspector and this preview. We will not gonna use or add any object in any object panel, or not gonna use any 2D 3D methods. We will use only inspector and preview method. Okay, so this transform, this is a transform and script. In inspector we have 2 sections, transform and scripts. So we will work on scripts only. Transform is we're not gonna use because it's not needed in sunglasses, so we will use only scripts. Alright, so in script we have three sections as well. I'm gonna minimize it so we can better understand it. Yeah, so here we have a frame customization. Alright, so in frame we have frame color, frame type, frame material, clear frame. This is a clear frame if you want to clear frame, and frame size and frame offset. Alright, so here I'm gonna maximize it all three. Okay, so first we will go with the frame color. Frame color is, as you can see, this is the sticks. I don't know what to say this. I'm gonna call it a stick, a frame sticks. Okay, so frame stick is we can modify it. So in blue, so you can change the color of your stick as you want. You can type any HTML code here. So if I type like FFF, this is a white pattern, so as you can see it gets white color. So for now we will go with the black one. For the simpler one we will make some simple, no, if okay, so we will go with the white, maybe red. Yeah, red is perfect for our. Okay, so we have this frame is red. So now the frame type is a round. As you can see here, is default is round, but if it turns to it cat, then it frame gets changed. It cat and heart will look like it. Round is default. Avatar and nerd. You can select any type of frame you want, but for now I will go with aviator. And the third one is frame material. Frame material is glossy, metallic, matte. So for this option it's not gonna change anything, but it means it will change something, but it will not measurable. but but for the better visualization, I always go for matte. Okay, so the third is the clear frame. Clear frame is the the stick intensity. As you can see here, it is 1. It means it has full intensity of it. If I reduce it, then it will get disappear. It intensity will decrease, and if back to 0, then it will get disappear. So it's up to you how much opacity you want to give to your frame sticks. And the next is frame size. Frame size, as it sound, it is the size of the frame. If I increase this, the frame will increase, and if I decrease it, this this is looking good. Okay, so I will make it 0.5 normal, uh, little bigger than normal. Yeah. So the next is frame offset. Offset means if you want to make it more upwards or more downwards. So if I drag it from the left, then it will drag down, and if I go from 0 to right side in positive, then it will go up. But for now we will go 0 because it is the desired location. Okay, so we have all covered we have covered all the section in frame customization. We're gonna minimize it, and this is just an example. You can change anything which you want, which you like. You can do anything of it, play around it. The next is lens customization. So the frame customization is frame which we are working on, and the lens is the lens. Okay, so yeah, you understand, you got it. Lens. Okay, so the lens color is pink right now, and if I change it to let's say white, click OK, and yeah, you can see the lens, the color of lens has changed to white. So you can make the intensity, you can increase or decrease the intensity of that particular lens. In white it's not making any effect. So if I change to blue, here now you can see the effect of this intensity. See, I made it full, I made it to the 1, and it has very high intensity of the lens. And if I decrease it, then it it will get low intensity. So we will give it a 0.5 intensity, and yeah, okay. So I'm gonna change the color to white. Okay, and next is custom reflection. Custom reflection, we are not gonna change it, because the custom reflection is the lens, the lens which you're working for on is will be, if you are seeing something in front of you, then it will get reflect by your lenses. So it is very crucial, if you're working on AR, then it should be uh, present in real. Okay, so I will prefer to don't uncheck it, keep it checked and don't change it. And if you want to change it, you can change it as well, it's up to you. But for now, I'm not going to change it. For changing it, you can go to textures and play around the textures. Yeah, and for now we have custom sprite. Custom sprite is my favorite thing, because this is a thing which makes it more fun. It has, if I click on sprite, as you can see, if I click on sprite, there is more special, like option came: sprite texture, sprite intensity, sprite size, sprite offset, sprite offset y, x and y. Yeah, so in sprite, as you can see, sprite texture. Okay, so in sprite texture we have this cute bunny type emoji or gif. So I want to change it. So I have a image to change it. To upload an image in Lens Studio, click on this plus button, and I'm gonna upload from the files which I have. I'm gonna go to the videos, not on videos, pictures, and this heart. I'm gonna select this heart. I have already downloaded it. You can you can take any image you want, but for now I'm gonna take this, heart, this heart, and click. It has selected it by default, and okay. Yeah, perfect. As you can see, it shaped heart. um yeah, this is looking good. Okay, yeah, sprite intensity. So you can take this sprite intensity as well, low to high. So I make it high because it should be appear more uh, good, but you can play around it and make as good as you want. This is the size of the sprite. If you want to make it bigger, then it will get bigger. As you can see, it become much bigger, and our symbol is have gone. So just minimize it, measure it, and make it the size of the lens. So from the sprite offset, it means you can shift it from the left, and you can shift it on the right, play around it, you can do it as well. So we have covered two sections: frame customization and lens customization. So in the next we have environment map. In environment map, we don't need to change anything, because it has already set up the things. If we will change it, then the lens will get disturbed, and you have to apply more textures. The terms is little confusing, but you need to apply some more changes to make it perfect. So for now we are not gonna change anything in environment, so I will maximize it. So we have covered this: frame customization, the lens customization, and environment. So okay, now I think it is more clear. I have increased the uh, screen resolution. It will be more clear. Yeah, so our lens is ready to publish. So we will go project info to add some previews of it, previews, icon, name, and some tags. Okay, so first we will add lens preview. Lens preview means the you can say a short video, a trial version of your lens. So we can record this lens by click on this video icon. You just need 3 or 4 second video. Yeah, this is enough. And I will go to this Snapchat projects. Here we have already example. but we will save it again, ABC. Okay, so we will go again to the project info, and now we will add preview. Choose file, ABC hard. These both are same. So ABC, I will take hard ABC. So we have just recorded this, so we will take this. Alright, click apply, and now our preview is uploaded. Now the icon. So icon here, I will choose the icon like we have put it on the lens heart shape. So we'll go download this, open. I think it's not in size as proper size. Yeah, well, I think this is acceptable for now. If we go if we will make professional lenses, then we will go for smaller sizes. But for now, for the basic tutorial, for the basic version, we will go with this. Okay, so click apply. Yeah, so here we have our preview and icon as well. So we'll name our lens. You can give any name you want, but I will give it art lens. Okay, here this, and now hint is like if you want to give a notation how they can try their lens, try its lens. So try it with a friend, apply. So here if you go to project info, you have all the things mentioned in the associated with your lens. This is the information of your lens. Okay, now we will publish it. Publish lens. There a pop-up window will open. Now we will give some tag it like love, some more tag, sunglasses maybe, and you can give up to 8 tags, but I'm just giving 2 right now. And this is the scan trigger. It means the AR lens which you have made have for what person, like for what animal you can say. So we have this for human person. Okay, so we will click on plus, it will add a human only. Done. So we are all set to publish our first ever AR lens on Snapchat app. Alright, so we will click this submit button to publish it on Snapchat. It will take little time. So here is our lens, heart lens. It is in review of Snapchat server. You can see it is looking gray. When it will get it should show live like we have seen here. After 5 or 10 minutes it will get live, and if it not, then they will mail you to it is not has published. Okay, so congratulations, you have made your first ever AR augmented reality lens on Snapchat by Lens Studio. So now the last point which we have is how to become a Snapchat official lens creator. Well, I am not as official lens creator, but yeah, I have a little experience to give you to be a lens creator. If you go to lens creator website, lens creator website, Webus, yes, here. Yeah, meet the official lens creators. There is a program of official lens creator where you can apply and get selected, get a chance to become a official lens creator by clicking this I'm interested. You need to provide your email, full name, Snapchat username, or some lenses as well. Why you want to be a lens creator, what are you passionate about the most, these sort of questions you need to answer. But I will recommend you to send this proposal after you have made all kinds of Snapchat templates, after you have worked for every Snapchat templates on Lens Studio. After that you should apply for them. So congrats, you have made your first AR lens on Snapchat. Try and enjoy your lens. And if you want to know more about the Lens Studio, let me know in the comments. I will give a brief tutorial to how to work each and every templates, and the brief information about it. So thank you so much. We will see you in the next video.